Hello everyone, this is Harish Nehate, your real estate professional in LeTip Dallas chapter. Please join me this week at Sherlock's in Addison to partner with other business community professionals from various groups to put dollars in your pocket. This week, our showboater is going to be TJ. Anything with respect to marketing on internet, digital media, you got to listen to him. He knows really this stuff very well. Not our speaker actually is going to be Steve Milleliu, who is going to talk about insurance. Now, when you really have an emergency, you dial 911. Why do you dial 911? Because you trust that you are in good hands, and that's why you dial 911. Similarly, in your life, the unknowns of unplanned things, you need to be really prepared. And Steve tells you through his insurance how to be prepared for your unplanned issues. So, see you soon. Thanks. Bye.